Welcome to our channel e-commerce know-how. In this video, we will talk about Web 3.0 and the effect that it will have on the e-commerce industry. Let's begin. What is Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is a progression of communications, whereas crypto is the advancement of money, DeFi is the expansion of economics, NFTs is the future of artwork, and the web is the metaverse. Web 3.0 is expected to have a significant impact on businesses as well as customers, including how companies promote and sell their goods, as well as to conduct their operations, and also how customers buy things and protect their information and identities. Web 3.0 is characterized by a shift from an information-centric to something like a knowledge-centric approach. E-commerce, or electronic commerce, corresponds to transactions taking place via the internet. So in plain simple words, when businesses and individuals purchase as well as sell goods or services over the internet, it would be referred to as e-commerce. Importance of Web 3.0 for the future. Web 3.0 is a network for users developed by users in the style of creator-driven portals. The following are the primary grounds why Web 3 would become increasingly essential in the years ahead. Less reliance on facilitators. It will aid in the removal of intermediaries in the various enterprises, the removal of rent-seeking agents, and indeed the direct transfer of value to customers as well as the suppliers in a network. By sharing ownership and authority of these fully decentralized intelligence frameworks, network members will attempt to resolve difficult-to-control challenges previously. Peer-to-peer networking will be on the upsurge. The link among organizations and the community will stay innately resilient as a result of new internet technologies, allowing for more adaptable peer-to-peer engagement and administration. Thanks to peer-to-peer networking, people, companies, and machines would be prepared to share greater data while also maintaining enhanced security and privacy. Enhanced trust. By understanding the next group of internet users, we can reduce our reliance on individual platforms by considering future prospects before devising our entrepreneurial and investment activities. Reduce dependence on centralized repositories. Web 3.0 does aim to diversify the internet sources in order to avoid hacking, disclosures, as well as dependency on centralized repositories. Users would be able to secure and protect their own data and digital traces thanks to certified data scarcity as well as tokenized virtual assets. No platform will indeed be found responsible for how data is used. More personalized communication. In 2022, Web 3.0 will become much more essential as most consumers actively seek personalized and tailored web surfing experiences. Better AI-powered search aid. Human-like electronic search agents that are smarter and more capable, widespread, and that are driven by semantics and blockchains, and AI would be in high demand. Influence of Web 3.0 in e-commerce. Quality content is extremely important on the internet. Web 1.0 was the first to let us know what our market product customer was. Then, using Web 2.0, you can look for any type of market item. Finally, Web 3.0 enables you to contextualize your current information to meet the customer's demands. Web 3.0, unlike Web 1.0 as well as 2.0, integrates data as well as information. It also converts data into knowledge. Web 3.0 seeks what e-commerce customers are looking for systematically. Web 3.0 refines search engines by emphasizing important subjects and providing new search options. Web 3.0 also aids the electronic commerce community by giving unlimited cloud data, permitting third parties to have personal ideas and offering a data link mechanism. Web 3.0 also empowers its e-commerce industry to customize online content. With a fully advanced Web 3.0 data blockchain, users can customize their company material from anywhere at the moment. For e-businesses, strategy and tactics have been employed. Growing technology advancement, particularly Web 3.0, has resulted in intricate e-commerce corporate structures. The design of a business model is the same as the architecture of a building. Web 3.0 assists their e-commerce businesses in developing a more effective business model plan. For e-business objectives, obtaining access to client data is essential. Moreover, creating excellent customer-client relationships, establishing strong positions for all of its e-commerce clients, personalizing customer selections, licensing requirements, and subscriptions are also important. In terms of performance, Web 3.0 is a one-of-a-kind experience. It allows its collaborators to operate from a variety of locations. Web 3.0 grants licenses to its businesses for this reason. Despite the fact that it is a purchase license, it is dependable. Anyone can always use data within the program for free, barring the outside data. Users of Web 3.0 will be able to adjust their commercial products due to the licensing approach. Clients can adjust their product lines in response to demand as well as supply. There are also subscriptions, which can be known as different types of licenses. Clients of Web 3.0 e-commerce can choose alternatives at their leisure because of subscriptions. This allows clients to offer their items directly to customers, which means that a one-time purchase might become a regular purchase. So this is all about how Web 3.0 will affect the e-commerce industry. Comment and tell us about the impact that it already has on us and our lives.